How to log in Adobe Acrobat with code. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to log into your Adobe Acrobat Reader using a code instead of a password, then here's how you do it. First, launch open Adobe Acrobat Reader app on your device. Once you're inside this home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the human icon and it'll take you to the sign in page. Click on sign in from the menu and there you have it. From here, select sign in with Adobe option from the bottom. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email address associated with your Adobe account. Once you do that, click continue and on the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password. If you don't want to enter the password, you can tap on sign in with a code option. You'll then receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox for the code. After you receive the code from Adobe, click it open and copy the code inside it. Get back to the Adobe app and paste it in. Once you are done, on the next page, it might ask you to add a backup email address. If you want to do that, go ahead and write it down in the text box and hit continue. If not now, click on not now. Now you have successfully logged in to Adobe Acrobat with code. This comes handy whenever you don't want to log in with password or in case you've forgotten your password as well. You can then start editing, viewing, or sharing your PDFs. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.